Healing your gut after a round of antibiotics isn't just a dietary challenge. It's a journey back to feeling your best, brighter, and more energized. Our digestive tract does so much more than break down food. It regulates immune function, influences our mood, and helps us absorb the nutrients we need for everyday vitality. But when antibiotics clear away bad bacteria, they often leave our inner ecosystem depleted and unbalanced, setting the stage for bloating, sluggishness, or even changes in how we feel mentally. Restoring this delicate balance is essential, and the good news is, real food, in the form of healing smoothies, can help lead the way. Imagine your gut as a vibrant garden. After strong medicine, that garden can look a little barren, missing the flowers that kept it thriving. This is where post-antibiotic recovery begins, by feeding our gut with prebiotics, probiotics, and plenty of nourishing whole foods. Smoothies offer the perfect delivery system. Simple, quick, and easy to digest, they let us pack high-quality nutrients and beneficial bacteria into a single delicious glass. Let's start with the Banana Berry Bliss Smoothie. This recipe is designed to comfort and support your recovering gut. It starts with a frozen banana, which provides a gentle sweetness and plenty of soluble fiber to feed your good gut bacteria. Toss in mixed berries for a burst of antioxidants that help calm inflammation and support overall repair. The real star, though, is plain Greek yogurt, which floods your system with living probiotics, key players in rebuilding a healthy microbiome. Chia seeds deliver extra fiber and plant-based omega-3s, keeping things moving smoothly in your digestive system. With each sip, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat, you're making an investment in your long-term wellness. Next, the Green Goddess Smoothie brings leafy greens and luscious avocado into the mix. Spinach is quiet but mighty. It's loaded with micronutrients and antioxidants that support cellular repair, while also providing fermentable fibers for gut bacteria to feed on. Avocado brings creaminess, heart-healthy fats, and a dose of prebiotics, all helping to create an environment where beneficial bacteria can flourish. Pineapple, rich in digestive enzymes like bromelain, makes this smoothie not only refreshing, but effective at easing post-antibiotic stomach discomfort. Coconut water lends a gentle sweetness and a hit of naturally occurring electrolytes, helping your body rehydrate and recover. And finally, there's Tropical Temptation. This smoothie combines coconut milk's creamy base with tangy pineapple and a scoop of probiotic powder. It's a recipe that feels like a day at the beach, but with tangible benefits for your digestive tract. Coconut milk is soothing and rich in medium-chain fats, while pineapple's enzymes assist in breaking down lingering proteins and reducing inflammation after antibiotics. Add a quality probiotic supplement, and you're not just hoping for recovery, you're actively rebuilding your gut's friendly flora. Making a habit of these smoothies can support the gradual restoration of balance. Your digestive system will thank you with more energy, better nutrient absorption, and improved mood. Over time, you may notice less bloating, more regular digestion, and a general sense of well-being that radiates from the inside out. Healing your gut is a journey, not a race. It's about bringing in nourishment, making small changes, and listening to your body as it recovers its rhythm. So blend up one of these smoothies, enjoy each sip, and give your gut the kindness it needs to bloom again. And remember, you're not alone. Share your story, favorite ingredients, or discoveries on the path to wellness. Every step you take brings you closer to a more vibrant, healthy you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it. Also leave a comment below. Finally, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for being part of our community.